Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So customizing subtitle size and font can make captions easier to read, especially on different screen sizes or from a distance. Okay, so first thing you can do is go to Amazon subtitle settings, like open Amazon website. Okay, the official website of Amazon, sign in to your account. Okay, navigate to accounts and lists. Okay, tap. Okay, so navigate and list, accounts and lists here. Okay, go to accounts and then you have to find subtitles. Okay, so if you didn't find it here, you can just go here. Okay, for example, choose one of the shows or movies that you want to see. Okay, for example, you start the show or you play the show first. Okay, so find subtitle preferences, or you can find here the options. So you have quality video, and here you have subtitles and audio. So you go to the as you can see, subtitle settings. Okay, and you change the size if you want to change the size. Okay, as you can see here, we have the size. This is the bigger one. This is smaller than the first one. So it's up to you. Okay, so as you can see here, we have even the color and the font. Okay, so you choose whatever you want, and that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.